Hi, as promised. So, this is the second part of your video lesson. This is on business meeting, preparing for a mock meeting assessment. Okay? So, what you need to do first is to go through the business meeting evaluation sheet. Look at it and not just look at it, you need to read it carefully and take note of all the criteria stated on the sheet. It is found in your textbook. To successfully complete the business meeting, each of your teammate needs to address each of the criteria, and team members can remind each other if any of the items are not addressed during the meeting, as long as there is still time. For instance, if the chairperson forgets to remind all of the team members to do what they are supposed to do, certain follow ups, or to inform the team members on the situation that was discussed, if there's any updates or anything. Yeah, somebody can remind the chairperson. It is fine to do that. I do not expect the business meeting to go on like so smoothly whereby everybody agrees with whatever everyone says. There need to be somebody or some people asking for verification, asking for justification, asking for clarification, and those things are the natural things to do when somebody provides some sort of solution which is not really clear. Okay, so that is fine. Just ask away and act natural. Then, what you need to do is to go through the useful phrases. Familiarize yourself with the suggested terms and how and when to use them. What you can do is to take those phrases with you when you are conducting the business meeting. You can put it next to you so that you can have easy access. All right. Now, on the assessment day, bring one clear copy of the business meeting evaluation sheet and write down all the names of your team members. You do not need to write their full name, just the name that is commonly used in class and also the ID number. Please ensure that you are formally attired and be punctual. So here are the flow of events, or basically these are the steps as to what will happen on that day. Firstly, a scenario will be given, and the scenario or problem will be given to the team once everyone is present. The subject matter or the topic will be on any common event or problem that occurs in UTP. Okay, so the subject matter is something that is familiar. Next, you can ask me any questions pertaining to the scenarios. If there's some words that you are unfamiliar with or you need some clarification, yeah, just go ahead and ask me. Okay, once we got that out of the way, or once that we get that out of the way, you are given 15 minutes to prepare. So your team is given some time to decide on how to conduct the meeting and to assign roles for each team member. Okay. And lastly, please conduct the meeting. Please allocate between 15 to 20 minutes for the meeting. All right. Now, this is a really something that you should do. Practice and videotape yourself to improve your business meeting skills. So try out this scenario. Okay, this is the what is stated. Oh no. Sorry about that. So what I need to say is what is stated on the left side of the screen is in groups of 5. These are the instructions. You are to conduct a follow-up meeting of an event the group has prepared or agreed to organize. And each group is given 15 minutes to prepare. The meeting could be a club, unit, or committee meeting and last between 15 to 20 minutes. As a group, you are to decide on the issue that will be deliberated during the said meeting. Each member is to assume a role. Okay, you need to decide on who will be taking what role. Okay, but you need to assign a chairperson. He is extremely important. Right, now let's go to the question. Okay, the question is stated on the right side of the slide. The title is Farewell Night. You and your committee members are given the responsibility of members of the High Committee of your batch's farewell night or farewell dinner. The main issue you will need to discuss is this meeting is to decide on the venue of the dinner and the flow of events. So how many problems are there? Well, there are 2. First is to decide on the venue of the dinner, and next is to decide on the flow of events. In the meeting, you will need to confirm the previous meeting, provide updates by respective departments, and come up with solutions to the main issue. Right. I do not expect you to come up with confirmed solutions at the end of the meeting, but perhaps to come up with suggestions or maybe some ideas towards firming up on the venue, for instance, and the flow of event. I hope that is clear. Okay, so please try this out with your teammates so that you will get an idea on what to do and how to do it. Get rid of that awkward feeling or weirdness when you are using or when you use formal phrases. Okay, so that's it, and I wish you best of luck. Please remember all the points that I mentioned to you. The first one is to read up on or read or understand the evaluation sheet. Next, to familiarize yourself with the useful formal phrases that are used in meetings and when to use them. Okay, especially when you want to interrupt, what should you say if you have something to say and people are talking, which is the best way to get their attention. Okay, well, I am really tired right now. I'm sure you can hear that from my voice. So, well, good night and take care. Good luck. See you soon.